Ditch the payment reminders and late fees by setting up automatic payments with Geico, making managing your insurance super simple. First, let's get to the Geico website. Open your web browser and type in geico.com, or use the direct link in the description below. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In or My Account option, usually located in the top right corner. Got the Geico app? Even better, open it up and log in with your policy number and password. The process is the same whether you're on the website or the app. After logging in, navigate to the billing section. The specific wording might vary slightly, but it should be clearly labeled in your navigation menu. It might also be called Payments. Click on the relevant section. Within the billing or payment options, look for something like Automatic Payments, Autopay, or Enroll in Autopay. Click on the option that says it will automatically handle your premium. Now, you'll select your preferred payment method. This could be a checking account, a savings account, or a credit or debit card. You'll need to enter your account or card details here, then you'll provide your banking information. Once you've entered your payment information, review the details and confirm your enrollment. Make sure everything is correct, especially your bank account or card number. You should see a confirmation message indicating that automatic payments have been successfully set up. That's it. You've successfully set up automatic payments. Geico will now deduct your premium automatically on the scheduled date, which saves you time, helps you avoid late fees, and keeps your policy active. You can review your payment history anytime in the billing section of your account.